I was planning to use a 1¼ inch PVC pipe as support on northern side. The PVC pipe was 3 meter long. I used this galvanized iron pipe as a support for the PVC pipe. Used a hammer to drive down the GI pipe into the soil for about a meter. As this pipe is of 3/4 inch diameter, I can easily slide the PVC pipe over it. Had kept it near my moringa plant so that it can act as additional support. Now I have finished installing the GI pipe support for the PVC pipe mast. Slided the 3 meter long PVC pipe over the GI pipe. PVC pipe has a hole at the top in which a twisted wire acts as a pulley. Nylon rope has been placed through it to pull the antenna wire up and down when needed.